morning. How are you? How are you all? After a long time? Yes? What you're all doing? What you're all doing? You're taking out your books? Doing some coloring? Painting? Yes? That's good. Okay, let us see some days of the week. You remember how many days are there in a week? Come on, tell me. There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And today is Friday. Can you tell me Friday spelling? F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Come on, let us read all the spellings from Sunday to Saturday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. And Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Yes, there are 7 days in a week. What color dress you wore today? I wore a blue color dress. What color your dress is? Come on, tell me. Is it a pink color? Is it a pink color? This is a pink color. Is it a yellow color? Yellow color? Is it a red color? This is red color. Is it an orange color? Orange color. Is it a blue color? This is a blue color. See, my dress is blue color and this is blue color. And green color. Next one is purple color. What color dress you wore? Okay, that's good. Okay, let us see on the board. Oh, there are beautiful pictures over here. Can you tell me what are these? Yes, these are related to alphabets. Okay, come on. What is this? Apple. Apple with which letter it starts? Apple. Yes, capital A and small a. See, from blue line to red line. Up, down, sleeping line, capital A. Only in two blue lines you have to write small a like this. Capital A, small a. B for brinjal. B for brinjal. How to write capital B? From red line to blue line. Standing line. Up curve. Down curve. Next small b. Standing line. And into blue lines only a curve like this. Small b. Capital B, small c. C for car. Car. Capital C and small c. That's good. What is this? Dinosaur. Capital D, small d. Dinosaur. D says D. E for elephant. Capital E, small e. See, capital E, standing line, up sleeping line, down sleeping line and middle sleeping line. Capital E and small e. What is this? Fish. For fish. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. Next, G. G says G. Great. Capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. H for house. House. Capital H, small h. House. Ice cream. Ice cream. I, capital I. Capital I, standing line, up sleeping line, down sleeping line, capital I and small I. Only a standing line and a dot. I for ice cream. What is this? J for jug. Jug. Capital J, small j. Capital J and small j. Once again, A for apple, B for brinjal, C for car, D for dinosaur, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jug. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j. That's great. Clap your hands. Now let us see some flowers. Okay, let's see some flowers. Here we go. These are flowers. Can you name them? What is this, the white color? Jasmine, sunflower, rose flower, hibiscus, marigold, tulip, lotus and lily. These are flowers. Once again, jasmine. These are flowers. This is jasmine, sunflower, rose flower, hibiscus. Hibiscus we can say shoe flower also. Marigold, tulip, lotus and lily. These are flowers. See, jasmine is in white color, sunflower is in yellow color, rose is in many colors, but in this picture it is in red color. Hibiscus also we have some good colors like orange color, red color, white color, pink color, yellow color. Did you see? That's good. Marigold. Marigold is also something like in orange shade. Tulip. Tulip is also in many colors. Tulips. Lotus. It is in pink color and in white color. This is lily. Only in white color. It looks so beautiful. Flowers are always looks beautiful. We'll see some more flowers. Can you tell me what is this? This is lily. You're able to see? Lily. Marigold. What is this? Marigold. Lotus. Lotus. Tulip. Lotus and tulip. Shoe flower. What is this? Shoe flower. Sunflower. Shoe flower and sunflower. Next one. So beautiful this is. Rose flower. Red color rose. This is jasmine. So these are flowers. Okay, that's good. Let us learn some healthy care. Yes, are you keeping your health carefully? Let us see some things are there here on this chart. Let us read, and we have to be very careful nowadays. You know what is going around us? That's good. Let us follow all those things. Okay. Health care. For good health, we have to follow some tips. Okay. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Do exercise. Are you doing exercise? Yes, doing exercise is very good. And have a bath daily. Have a bath daily. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Comb your hair. You have to comb your hair. Wash your hands before eating. Are you washing your hands before eating? And after eating also you should. Next one. Eat good food. Eat always a healthy food and a good food. Home food is always good food. Next one. Have a sound sleep at night. You have to sleep early at night. Play in the open area. Play in the open area like parks or some ground or something like that. But nowadays we cannot come out, so maybe if you have a place at your house, nearby to your house, but you have to keep a mask. Yes, I know it is it's not comfortable, but we have to be very careful, right? So once again, let me read this one. Brush your teeth twice a day, do exercise, have a bath daily, wear clean clothes, comb your hair, wash your hands before eating, eat good food, have a sound sleep at night, play in an open area. Please follow all these things. It is good for you and our health will be healthy and good. Okay? Okay, that's good. Take care. But we have some activity next.